Our dinner for today, white rice, and this is mashed dal, and beef curry, sacrifice or korbani, vegetable, green leafy vegetables, scrum, organic, chapatis, custard, jelly toppings, and salad, onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, yogurt, and juice. And I have visitor from Rawalpindi, so I prepared these foods. And today is June 12 and time check 9:45 p.m. Still they are coming now because they are late to come from Rawalpindi to Rawalakot. And today is Thursday. And Hayan and husband Aisha. Yes, and who is missing cameraman is here also. Husband. Yes. Ayan is so far. You come here. You have to come with someone. Don't go there. Where are they go? I want to see the goat. Later, huh? We have a dog. Hi, Tiger. Hi, Tiger. But just don't touch because they are aggressive. This one. Yeah, nag-greasy. Tiger, come here. Come here, Tiger. Don't want to do. Plum. You want to have how much size can drop, right? You have to read it. Where's the plum? I will pluck you later. Very nice view this side here. River, there is a swimming pool, but there's no water down. Oh my gosh, whole day I will fill up this one. Yeah, they are saying there is no water.
Dida said there is no water. No, they didn't fill up. They want to fill up? Oh, really? Let's take a look at tree. Yeah, very much long. Where they are going? Ayan, be careful. They want to go down. There is no water. Why they want to go down? Very nice, these flowers. Oh. Why you go down there, huh? That water? That water dirty. Not it clean, you know. They said they did not clean.
Ayan ko, they will get all this one plants. They will bring in, go back to the in Islamabad because nobody is eating this one, so they will get. And also this apricots.
Why no one?
Huh?
Why no one?
It's nobody who will eat it. Oh, they're apples, so how you can get this one? Picking lambs.
You take your video thing.
Yan.
Then you can
You make also your mobile.
yeah.
You make your video in your mobile. Yeah.
For YouTube.
Subscribe also, brother. You watch also. Dito na kami sa taas, sa road. Ayan yung road going back to Islamabad. But first they will go first in Banjusa. And then after Banjusa for stay 1 hour or 2 hours, then they will go direct
3
to
hours
Islamabad. 2 hours
So
or
we are
like that.
coming back home, Philippines.
Ayan. Ito na yung sasakyan nila. Punta ng Banjusa. After Banjusa, Islamabad. Ayan. They are 6. Ito na yung sasakyan nila. Ikaw na ba? Bakit? Ikaw talaga, Angela. Ano, may pasuksok ka pa dyan. Ano na? Ito na yung sasakyan nila. Who will stay here in front? Ayan na.
Come on here.
Come. Ayan. Ito yung daughter ni Angel. Ang ganda.
My back, I will carry me.
Ayan yung asawa niya. Ano nang pangalan ng asawa mo?
Si Hami.
Kami. Tapos yung anak niya, yun, si, ayan, yung mataba. Pamangkin niya itong dalawa, si Aisha. Ayan. Larga na. Okay. Thank you for coming here and take care for your journey going to Banjusa and Islamabad. Ayan, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Sally.